Welcome to Section 3 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Creating an EM Campaign, Step by Step. In this action, we'll talk about researching a hot online topic, creating an attractive lead magnet, setting up a high-converting squeeze page, setting up a persuasive autoresponder series, and sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Researching a hot online topic. Common knowledge dictates that you need to have an interesting topic to discuss if you want to fire up a conversation. Email marketing is a way of starting a conversation with your leads and subscribers, but you need to have an interesting topic to talk about if you wish to engage with them. Not only will you need to have an interesting topic to talk about, you'll need to have a topic that is of value to them, one which is also related to what your business is about at the same time. Finding a hot online topic will not only help you keep your audience engaged, it will also be the gateway to your audience. This is because you'll find your audience through the topics that are most relevant to it. You can say that finding a hot online topic is the first step to establish your online presence, because it will help you locate where your business's audience hangs out online. The internet makes it really easy to find where your audience is online by offering you access to the same channels where people and other companies are starting the conversation. You just need to know how to do your research correctly. Places such as Facebook and Pinterest are great starting points, so let's take a look at how you can use the popular websites to find what's trending on any given day. On Facebook. Facebook is one of the best places to find out what people are talking about at any time and in real time. You can basically use any keyword to get results relating to people commenting about products, events, and many other things. It is really important to get this out of the way right now. This research will provide you with organic and honest conversations started by real people on social media. That is the audience responsible for making things go viral, so pay attention to what they are saying and adopt them as your audience. Start by entering any keyword in the search bar at the top. It can be anything from the name of your product or service or any keyword that bears some resemblance to your business. At first, you'll see that there are some suggestions for pages, places, links, and public posts. Those that you see on top are the most popular among your results. These are the ones to which you should be paying attention. Now, there is a way to further filter these results, and that is by using the tabs on the top menu above the results. Each tab will lead you to a different type of Facebook content. You'll notice that the top tab is where you'll be by default when you make your search. This will show you the most recent interactions. Then, you'll see that there are tabs for posts, people, photos, videos, pages, groups, and events. These are the ones that you'll need to check to learn what is trending and what topics are being talked about right now. The Shop, Places, and Apps tab will give you an idea of what things related to your keyword people are buying. On Pinterest. You can use Pinterest to research high-trending topics the same way that you would use Facebook. Simply enter a keyword in the search bar and wait for the results to load. In any case, Pinterest will show you more narrowed results in the form of boards and pins. The way to learn what is trending is by checking how many times it has been pinned and favorited. As you can see, Pinterest is a neat way to find out what's trending in a very organized way. On Reddit. Reddit isn't called the front page of the internet for nothing. Anything that happens on the internet goes to Reddit. Reddit is great for two things. The first is for finding what is trending at any given time, which you can do by simply going to its front page and taking a look. The other is for finding more in-depth information about any specific topic. Use the search bar on the right the same way that you would use Facebook and Pinterest. You'll find inquiries, sweepstakes, interviews, and groups that you can use to find out what tickles people's fancy. On Google Trends. Google Trends is a cool and easy-to-use tool for visualizing data. You can use it to measure how popular and searched a keyword is. Go to google.com/trends and enter your keyword on the Explore Topics bar. Hit enter and it will show you a graph with peaks and valleys of popularity in the form of interest over time, geographical relevance in the form of interest by region, its related topics, and related queries related to your keyword on Google searches. Use all of these great research tools and leverage their features to your advantage because they can be used as your free marketing tools.